Hello class, I hope all of you are taking good care of yourself. Class, we will do chapter number 3 this time. The name of the chapter is The Seed of Truth. This is a story about a king who has no children. Okay, and he was becoming old. Now he wanted someone to take care of the kingdom. So one day he came up with an idea. And then a small boy, a farmer's boy, Pingala, he wins the king's heart. How? For that we will have to read the chapter. So let's proceed. Hello class. Now we will do chapter number 3, The Seed of Truth. Okay? Seed, you know, from which the plants grow. Okay? So this is that seed. And truth means when you do not lie. Now let's do the exercise first. The pictures below refer to the good qualities that every human being should have. Means the good qualities that we should have. We as you, as a child, and me as a person, we should have these qualities. Okay, so let's see what are these qualities. These include truth. Truth means when you do not lie. Okay. Kindness. Kindness means generous, when you are ready to help anyone. Okay. Hope. Hope means when you expect something to happen. Faith. Faith means when you believe in someone. Honesty means when you are sincere and you do your work sincerely. Okay class? So these are the qualities that we should have. Okay? So let's read the question. Choose any one quality from those shown below and say why you think it is important. So there are 4 pictures given to you. Okay? So from these pictures, you will choose one picture. One picture you will choose, and then you will write why it is important. You will write at least 3 lines on it. It is not mentioned over here, but you will write 3 lines that why these qualities are important. So the first one is your peace. Okay, this is a sign of peace. We usually make this sign, you know, when we click photographs. I have seen many people, they use this sign. So this sign is of peace. Okay, now second is do small things with great love. So what does it mean? Do small things, like for example when your parents are coming from outside. Okay, what you can do, what is the small thing that you can do? You can give them a glass of water. So you can do small things for the other, but with love. Like other example, like you make greeting cards for your friends on their birthday. So that is also a small thing that you can do for the other to make them happy. Okay, now this is honesty. Honesty means when you do any work sincerely. Okay, see, they have cut, there's a scissor they have used to cut dishonest. Dishonest means when the person do not do his work or her work sincerely. Okay, so they have cut this part, so only we will read honest. Honest means when someone do their work sincerely. Peace, love and joy. So this is another picture in which what is written? Peace, love and joy. Peace means, you know, when there is no fight, no war, that is called peace. Okay, love, when you love someone, when you care for someone. Joy means happy. So out of these picture class, you have to choose only one picture and you will write about that picture in 3 lines. Okay. So class, now let's read this chapter, The Seed of Truth. So what happens in this chapter? This chapter is about a king who doesn't have any child. So one day he decided that he will choose a prince or a princess from his kingdom only. But that prince or the princess or the child will have to be honest. Okay, he will have to be honest and fair towards his work or whatever he does. So let's read this chapter. Read about a boy who was rewarded by the king for a special quality he had. So this chapter is about a boy who has a special quality, and later on he was rewarded by the king. Rewarded means to get a prize for something that you do. So class, let's start with the chapter reading. Long ago, Gandhara, what is this? Gandhara was ruled by the just and good king, Vidyadhara. So, what is the name of the king? Vidyadhara. And what is the name of the place? Gandhara. Okay, Gandhara is the name of the place. This king, what are his good quality? That he was very fair and honest. Okay, just meaning is given over here. All the word meanings are given over here, so you can refer these word meanings. Okay, so the king of Gandhara, he was very fair and honest. His subjects were very happy, but as the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. The king did not have any children who could take over the reins of the kingdom after him. So class, his subject means the people of the kingdom, they were very worried because the king was growing old. Okay, so they were worried. And why they were worried? Because the king, he did not have any children who could take the responsibility of the kingdom. What happened usually is, we have seen in the serials also or in the movies also, the king's son, he take over the kingdom. Okay, but in this case, this king, he doesn't have any children. So who will become the king later after this, after Vidyadhara? So that's why the people of the kingdom, they were very worried. The king was an avid gardener. So avid means expert. So the king was expert in gardening. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest flowers, fruit, trees and vegetables. So he used to spend most of his time in his garden, and he was always taking care of the plants, and he was growing fruits, vegetables in his garden. One day, after he finished working in the garden, he proclaimed. So after working in his garden, he proclaimed, he announced. Announce means when you declare something, when you say something to the large audience, to the large number of people. So what does he say? I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the kingdom. So what did he say to everyone in his kingdom? That he will distribute seeds. Distribute means, like class, I'll give you one example. When you have a birthday in class, you used to distribute sweets to everyone. So distribute means to give something to everyone. So what does the king say? That he is going to distribute some seeds to all the children, okay, in the kingdom. The one who grows the biggest, healthiest plant within 3 months will become the prince or the princess. Okay, so he also said, after distributing the seeds, that the child who will grow the biggest and the healthiest plant within how many months? 3 months. He will become the prince or the princess of this kingdom. Class, here you can see the garden. This is king's garden. Where he grows plants, fruits and vegetables. So it is his garden. Now let's read. The next day there was a long line of anxious parents and children outside the palace. Okay, after the announcement, there was next day after the announcement, what happened? Next day there was a long line outside the palace. Okay, and the parents, they were very worried. Why they were worried? Because all the parents, they wanted their child to be the prince or princess. Okay, class, who doesn't want to become a prince or princess? Everyone want to become a prince or princess. Okay, everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. So everyone in the kingdom, they wanted to get the seed. They were interested. Okay, the meaning is given over here. So they were interested in growing the plant. Pingala, a poor farmer's son. So what is the name of the poor farmer's son? It is Pingala. Was among these children. So Pingala was also standing outside the palace with the other parents. Like the king, he too was fond of gardening and grew beautiful plants in his backyard. Okay, backyard means at the back of your house, the area which you have behind your house. Okay, so Pingala, he also loved gardening, and he also used to grow plants, beautiful plants behind his house. Okay, behind his home. He took the seed from the king and planted it in a pot with great care. So he took the king was distributing seeds to everyone. So he took one seed from the king and planted it in a pot. Where did he plant it? In a pot. And he took great care of that seed. Okay. Some weeks passed and he plied it with water and manure. But the plant did not appear. Pingala tried changing the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. So many weeks passed and he gave water to the plant, to that seed, and manure also. What is manure? The waste matter of animals and plants used to enrich the soil. You know, we use the animal dung and the green waste that are used for the fertilization of the soil. Okay. Pingala tried changing the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. So when the plant did not appear, he thought that that the soil is not good. So what he did, he changed the pot and moved the seed from one pot to the another pot. But even by the end of 3 months, nothing appeared. So class, after taking good care of the seeds and giving regular water and giving manure, good manure to the seed, the plant did not grow. Okay. So it has been 3 months, but there was no plant. So class, we will read till here only. I hope you have understood it. Class, please do the reading of this chapter again. And if you have any doubts and any queries, you can mail me. Thank you. Take care.